he's always been. Sometimes he'll fight with.
I think you're getting too much into the hamsters, Mom.
Because I don't want to be making a mistake and putting something in here that is going to end up like that.
Yeah, what if you lose your hamsters forever? Just because that's what I did. I lost my hamsters.
Are you gonna cry, Mom?
No, I'll know my one, but it comes to me all the time.
Mom, you just want to get him, and you're like, it catches like, is that the one? You're like, I think this is it. So which one's the one that always comes to you, Mom? Show me, please.
Well, you know you got
Now
a 2
stop.
out of 3 chance.
Stop. No, I know you're new.
You're bleeding. Mom, I'm videoing all of this.
Yeah, I know you're new.
Because he bit me.
Mom, you're funny.
Now I know you're new.
You should have seen Mom. Mom runs out of drug bar today. And she's like, she's in there, she's like, we gotta go. She's like, she ran the red light. I'm like, what are you doing? And Mom looked at me, she's like, I think I'm gonna shit my pants.
Because it's gas food.
And the cop pulled me over when she said that.
Yes, I would. I would tell him, I'm sorry, but something's not right.
Something's not right.
I have to go home.
She's like, I swear, if I was to stay in there for a little bit longer.
No, I know. It was making me. Now, why are you acting like that to that one? That one's your friend. He's trying to take his territory, make sure that everything else is good about.
Mom, shut up. Leave him alone.
Oh, Mom.
Mommy, don't jump.
Look at her.
He's in the corner. I hate when you jump.
No, we're such an
No
idiot.
jumping.
Oh, Spunky needs spunky
No
stuff.
jumping. He jumped over my purse.
Okay.
Oh, little baby. Mwah.
That's all there is to it.
Okay, Mom.
You? Monkey, just lay down. Oh, we got one little baby. That's all on its own. What are we gonna do here? No, I see more.
Why is Caitlin here?
Yeah, there's more to the other side.
How long has Caitlin been here?
What? She's been down here for mom.
Oh.
Oh.
Keep dreaming.